In my immediate last video, I talked to you about this resistance, and that this resistance is a very strong resistance in the market and have capacity of bringing the market back down, and that before you can think of buying the market or taking a long position, there must be a breakout of this very area of resistance, and that is the opposite of what we are seeing right now. No breakout, and market is moving to the downside. This is what I'll be talking about in today's video. Very important level of support at this area of $41,000 and $40,000. All of these and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please leave a like for the YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. On the 1-day chart, if you look at this very area of resistance, very important, market move up a little bit with this candle and then have reduced momentum before this little move to the downside that we are seeing right now. And if you watch my last video, I talked to you about this breakout. You see, this is a very strong support. So market break out of a strong support at this very point, and the market move a little bit to the upside to this resistance, and then coming back down right now. What I am expecting, like I told you in my last video, is the market to come down into this very area, but this is the final target, that is the $38,500 level and the $37,000 level at this very area. That is my final target. But before the market will get into this area, there is a very strong support level at the $40,000 at this very point and $41,000 at this very area. So markets have to drop into this very area, and a breakout of this very area of support will send the market into this level of $38,500 and $37,000. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now. Now, for the market to move to the upside, like I said in my immediate last video, we must have to see a breakout of this level of resistance. So once you see that breakout, the market is going to move to the upside without doubt. But for now, we are seeing some bearish momentum coming to the market to the downside. That means the bears are a little bit strong in the market right now, willing to move the market into this area of support. And if a breakout happens, like I said, the market is going to come back into this level of $37,000. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on the 1-day chart. So on the overall, it is a period of waiting in the market. That means market have to correct a little bit before continuation, because if you look at this very move, the market has been moving all the way from here to the upside without any significant correction, because this is not a correction, this is just a consolidation. So after consolidation, market push up a little bit into this area, and then right now there should be a correction. So after correction into this zone will be a nice area to buy along the market again to the upside on the 1-day chart. And if the market is not getting to this area of support and we see a breakout on this very area of resistance right here, then that also means that the market is going to move to the upside. So two possible buy area is, number one, this very point of resistance, a bullish breakout will make the market to move upward, and if the market come back down into this level of support, will be another area to buy too for the market to move upward on the 1-day chart BTC. And on the 4-hour chart, if you look at this very area, I told you that for you to take a long position, we must see the market break out with a bullish candle and should close above this very spike right here. But we do not see that, so no buy opportunity yet. Market is going to come back down. Expect the market to move into this very zone of important support right here. Market should come back down on the immediate short time on the 4-hour chart BTC, and on ETH I am also looking at the same thing. Market should move into this very level of support on the immediate short time. This market should continue back to the downside into this very area of support, which is very important. And lastly, on Solana, if you look at it, Sol have a very great momentum. It has moved to the upside from this area of $68 into this very point where we see the market skyrocket into $124, and right now a retracement is needed for continuation. So I am expecting just a little retracement into this zone before continuation from this very area of support, because we have a very nice support at this very point, which will turn and aid the market to move to the upside. This is what I am expecting right now on Sol. So for Solana, wait for the market to retrace back down into this area for it to long the market from this zone or buy the market to the upside, because these markets have a lot of momentum to move upwards. ETH, the market is going to come back down for a buy opportunity around this area, and on Bitcoin the market is going to come back down as well for a buy opportunity around this very zone of support. This is what I am watching right now on these various charts. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Check the channel for other crypto and technical analysis. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.